Aside from my soul.
Hey, what is going on everyone, this is Wicked and here we have it. Xposed for Android Nougat is finally available. Today I will show you how to install it on your Android device. I'm using a brand new Galaxy S8 for the procedure. Later on I will demonstrate that it is currently working by testing Xinsta Xposed module and download some pictures from Instagram. A huge disclaimer though is needed before we dive even more into this video. This is an alpha release. It's nowhere near stable, it may get you into boot loops, you need to be really careful with it, and an Android backup is really recommended before you'll test it, because many things could go wrong and it is always better to have a backup of your current configuration so you could restore it back later if something happens. A video on how to do that is listed into the card section. As I told you, Xposed is unofficially available right now for SDK24 Android 7.0 and SDK25 Android 7.1 platforms. All the files I used in this video are of course listed in the description. Make sure you download the right ones for the Android version you're currently running. Here are some prerequisites you will need in order to install it on your Android device. You will need TWRP. If you don't know what TWRP is or how to install it on your Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus, check the video in the card section. Regarding other devices, you can check out YouTube videos for that, as the procedure of installing TWRP may differ. Root is required to install the Xposed framework, so make sure you have Magisk or SuperSU root. Later on, Magisk modules with Xposed integrated may be released. Even though it is stated that Samsung's official firmware is not supported, I tested it and as you will see, it works pretty good. So, without further ado, let's get into the installation procedure. You will need to boot into TWRP and then go to install. Choose the Xposed for SDK24 or 25 depending on your Android version and swipe to install. Now you're done. You can reboot your device and fingers crossed so you won't experience any boot loops. I didn't and everything went smooth. Now of course we'll need to install the Xposed installer app, a custom material one which I also included in the description. In-app updates may be released, so be sure to run the latest one to avoid any possible bugs. Smooth and steady, I went into the download section and searched for Xinsta, the module which I use the most. I activated it and then rebooted the device. After the booting process was completed, I went checking out if the module actually works, and surprisingly it was. I downloaded a couple of images from the timeline and then from the stories section, every one of them showed up in the gallery without a miss. Now don't get me wrong, not all modules will work, especially because, as I told you, this is still unofficial, buggy and not totally stable. It is an experimental build, so you should consider it as it is. Anyways, that was the tutorial for today. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. I'm waiting for your comments right down in the comment section. Report it if it did work for you. Thanks a lot. Until next time, as always, take care. Wicked is out. Bye bye.